In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply for the Scotiabank Gold American Express card. Whether you're looking to take advantage of its travel perks or simply seeking a reliable credit card, this tutorial will help you navigate the application process smoothly. First, you'll want to visit the official Scotiabank website. Once you're there, head over to the credit card section. Here, you'll find a variety of options. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the Scotiabank Gold American Express card. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on the Apply Now button. The next step involves completing the online application form. This should take you around 10 to 15 minutes, so it's pretty quick and straightforward. As you fill out the form, you'll need to provide some personal details. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Additionally, you'll be asked for your employment and income information, as well as some financial details needed for a credit check. Before you proceed, let's go over some important eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old or the age of majority in your province to apply. A minimum personal income is required, typically around $12,000 per year. It's also important to have a fair to good credit score, and you must be a Canadian resident with a valid address and bank account. Now, a quick note about the card itself. It comes with a $120 annual fee. However, this fee can be waived if you have eligible Scotiabank banking packages. So it's worth checking if you qualify for any waivers. Once you've completed and double-checked your application form for accuracy, you can submit it. After submission, Scotiabank will review your application and notify you regarding approval. Remember, approval is not guaranteed, as it depends on the results of the credit check and other factors. Ensuring all information is accurate will help avoid any issues during the review process. And there you have it. That's how you apply for the Scotiabank Gold American Express card. With this card, you can enjoy a range of benefits and rewards. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.